So you can see that this is an horizontal traffic light with green there, yellow there and red. So I create this using in my Microsoft Word, that is MS Word. I create using an I create using a shortcut method, that is using the two keys, that is this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So by pressing these two keys after typing, so first I type like this 1F6 F5. So after typing 1F6 F5, if you press these two keys, that is Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time, then you can create this symbol in Microsoft Word. So you can see that horizontal traffic light symbol we are created in Microsoft Word using this shortcut, that is typing 1F6 F5, and after that press these two keys at the same time. For more videos, subscribe Engineers Well Online. Thank you.